Hello, everybody. This is Kenny with BPX TV Rezo. I'm here at the Island Space Museum here at the Broward Mall, and there's an event going today. I'm here with a lady. She has a booth, and her business is very unique. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Cheryl Chansey. Thank you for coming by our beautiful booth. And our business is Tap Tap Ride Shares. So it's right there in the name. We are a ride share company, Haitian owned. Just like Uber, just like Lyft, except our drivers make more money and our riders pay less money. And we offer a lot more services. We have teen accounts. We have notary publics as drivers that can notarize documents for you at any hour. We have prescription pickups, grocery pickups, delivery pickups, medical appointments for people. We also take kids to and from school if parents want to be a member of the pickup routes. And so all of this is going to be available. Think of it as a multi-service office on wheels. And we also do ride shares. And so get ready. Fall 2025, we're going to be coming out. We're going to have a lot of events going on. We're going to invite you guys to come as well. And please cover the footage of what we're going to be doing. And make sure that you go to our website, www.taptaprideshares.com. And all you have to do is click on the QR code and go ahead and register as a driver. We're recruiting drivers right now, and we're launching in the fall for all of our customers.
Woo! That's like a tug in. I like that. So what would happen to be your website or social media people can connect with your business?
So on Instagram, we're at TapTap. Our website is www.taptaprideshares with the S at the end.com. And my personal email is Babette, BABETTE, at taptapcorp.com. Or you can always go to info@taptapcorp.com.
Okay. And so, what is your aspiration for your company? Like, what do you really want to do with it as far as like your long-term goal?
So we want to cater to our community, of course. Of course, it's not just for Caribbean folks. It's there for everybody to use. However, we have heard the grievances of the current drivers for the different platforms that exist, and we want to fulfill those shortcomings. And we want to make sure that we listen to the customers. People are not happy about price surging. They're not happy about rush hour prices. They're not happy about airport rides becoming $200 sometimes or $160. It doesn't make any sense. And so I'm not trying to be uber rich. I'm okay. I want to make sure that I'm serving my community and I'm enabling people to make money. We also have a great referral service. Our drivers make money off of drivers that they recruit. And so that just makes it possible for them to have their own business within our business. So we're just giving back to the community, and we're not going to change our policies. We're not going to raise our prices. We're not going to do anything like that. We're going to make sure that the driver is always making the money that he's expecting to make, and that the customer is always well taken care of and doesn't have any surprises.
Okay, sounds very wonderful. I thank you today, ma'am.
Well, thank you so much.